Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to get more information about backup data on your device. So friends, before we start the video, I want to remind you, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then you have to scroll down to account and backup. Okay, here, then click here, then here you have to click on backup data. Okay, click on backup data. So here what you have to do is you have to click on this three dot to find more information, then click more information. Here is the more information about backup data. Okay, you just read this all information, important information about backup data. So it's done. You can read it like this, or you will gain more information about backup data like this. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.